Hey guys, coming at you this week with a little bit of talk around ginger and fresh ginger root. So ginger is a root and it looks funny, right? Like this is a goofy looking thing. Like, do I eat this? How do I eat this? Well, here's the deal. Yes, you totally eat it. I'm going to give you some tips around preparing it today, what to look for when buying it and how to preserve it. So we love ginger. It smells so good. It is great for gut health, for digestion, and is a natural anti-inflammatory. So being able to incorporate this into a diet as much as possible is a win-win-win. So this is what you're looking for in the produce section when you see fresh ginger listed on the meal plan. And you can buy a big hunk of ginger like this and just keep it in your fruit bowl. Now, most recipes are going to call for a 1 to 2 inch hunk of ginger. So you just eyeball this, right? Like, let's say that's probably a 1 to 2 inch hunk. So the outside of the ginger root can be a little bit tough. And to be able to get to the goodness on the inside, you just basically take a knife and you shave the little pieces right off to get to this sort of yellow, meaty stuff on the inside. And that's what you're gonna actually mince up and cook with. You can do that quickly with a knife, or you can throw it into a small food processor. Now, once your ginger starts to either sprout, like it is right here, or if it starts to kind of like wither up or shrivel up and look a little bit wrinkly, like it's kind of starting to dehydrate, you can cut it into these size chunks, throw it into a freezer baggie, and have it on hand for recipes in the future. And then you can just quickly pull them out, rinse them under warm water to kind of rehydrate them, and then mince them just like you would a piece of fresh ginger. So I hope that that's really helpful. Don't be afraid of these guys. Just keep them in your fruit bowl and cook with them. They're so beautiful and so good for you. I hope that that's helpful. Happy cooking.